for this recipe, we are going to start with a skillet with about a teaspoon of oil, not too much. We're going to fry up our chicken pieces that I've cut up into very small pieces, just like that. Now, you can use a rotisserie chicken for this if you want to make it easier, but I didn't have any. So we're going to fry up the pieces. I'm going to add some salt, some pepper, and we're going to let this brown. Over there I have some water. It's getting ready to come to the boil. We're going to add in our broccoli to steam our broccoli for about 3 minutes, and then we'll add our egg noodles in the same water. Okay, the water has hit the boiling point over here, so I'm just going to toss in the broccoli for just a few minutes, just till it becomes vibrant green. Okay, don't get in there. Okay, now that it's been a few minutes on the chicken, and as you can see, it's already getting a little bit of brown, we're going to add our onion, our chopped white onion. Give that a little mix. And then we're going to add our garlic. Okay, we're going to let this saute for a little bit, and we're going to remove the broccoli because it's ready. Okay, we're going to remove our broccoli. I'm going to use my spider that I have here. I'm going to put it back into the bowl that I had it. Okay. As you can see, it's very, very vibrant green, and that shows you that it's ready. We're going to add our noodles now to the same water. We're going to cook our noodles. And cook it according to the directions. Okay, and they're going to cook for 7 minutes, and they should be ready. Okay, and over here, the onions are translucent. I'm starting to smell the garlic. I'm going to turn the heat off, and this is ready. We're going to set this aside. We're just waiting on the noodles. Okay, we're going to take the noodles out. They're a little al dente because they're going to continue to cook in the oven. So I'm just going to pour them into the casserole dish that we're going to use. Okay, this is ready. I'm going to pop y'all back over to the counter. Okay, now we're going to continue with the recipe. I have my noodles, I have my broccoli, and I have my chicken. So what we're going to add to this, to the noodles, I sprinkled a little bit of olive oil on top just so that they don't stick together. We're going to put in our broccoli and just spread it out. We're going to mix it in a minute. I like to just spread it out. And then we're going to add our chicken. Still kind of hot. Okay, now we're going to set this aside. Now in the bowl where we had our broccoli, we are going to add a half of a bar of cream cheese that I've had at room temperature. If you don't have it at room temperature, pop it into the microwave for about 30 seconds, and that'll be good. 1 can of cream of mushroom soup and some chicken broth. I'm going to mix a little bit of that up. We'll just whisk this together. Okay, now we're going to add in some white pepper. I will leave the ingredients down below, guys. Don't worry about that. And some more salt. Okay, and then we taste as we go because the cream of mushroom is pretty salty even though it's low sodium. Okay, now we're going to add in our cheeses. I have some mozzarella cheese. I have some cheddar cheese, and you can use whatever cheese you like in there. If you want to use Monterey Jack, if you want, whatever you decide, that's good. It's whatever your family likes. Okay, we're going to give this a good mix, and we're going to add a little bit more chicken stock to it. It's kind of messy, but it'll come together. Okay, that should be good. Okay, now we're going to take our mixture and we're just going to pour it all over our chicken and noodles. This is a good make-ahead dinner. You can get it to this point, put a foil on it, put it in the refrigerator, even the freezer. Okay, we're going to mix this up. Spread it out, make sure it's going in between. So it's going to look just like that. And now, the final step, I take some breadcrumbs, seasoned breadcrumbs, and I sprinkle it on top. Okay, and then we sprinkle some olive oil all the way across, just like that, and pop it into the oven at 375 for 30 minutes. Look at that. That's gonna be delicious. Okay guys, I will be back as soon as this is ready out of the oven. Okay, our casserole is ready. It went in the oven at 375 for 30 minutes. And it's nice and creamy, cheesy. I'm gonna put some out here so you can look at it. Look at that. Delicious. You can see all the cheese, the chicken, the broccoli. It smells scrumptious. Okay guys, this is delicious. Very nice and cheesy. This is going to conclude the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I sure would appreciate a thumbs up, guys. Leave any comments or questions you may have down in the comment section below and I will get back with you. The recipe and items that I use for this recipe will be linked below. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right there, guys. That's going to do it for today. Talk to you later. Bye.